Hey guys, welcome back to Simply Victoria.
Hey guys, so we're on our way to taking the kids to the movies because it's now school holidays. But yeah, no, going to Mama. But yeah, we're just gonna go and pick out a movie for the kids to watch. See you there, guys. So we're just going to book tickets. What are we watching? What are we watching? Oh, we're watching Despicable Me with the kids. Yeah. But yeah, we're just going to go get tickets to get popcorn and also get drinks. See you there. No. Wait, look at me. So, what are we going to watch again? That's the Brown Paint Cinnamon. A bit pricey, but oh well. So we finished watching Despicable Me 3. Now we're just heading to Target to buy the other brother a suit. Because he's just be thin. Really. But yeah. Bella, did you like the movie?
Yeah.
Can you at least look at it? So you did like the movie? Even though I was freezing most of the times? Ah. Yeah. We're just gonna go find my fat brother a suit.
Sigue bailando, mami, no pare. Acércate a mi pantalón, dale. Vamos a pegarnos como animales. Si necesitas reggaetón, dale. Sigue bailando, mami, no pare. Acércate a mi pantalón, dale. Vamos a pegarnos como animales. Muévete a mi ritmo, siente el magnetismo. Tu cadera es la mía, boom, hacen un sismo. Ahora da lo mismo, el amor y el turismo. Diciéndole que no es que viene con romanticismo. Si te da la...
Hey guys, so now we're here at Lowe's. Here. Oh, Lollywog. We're just buying our other brother's suit. Cause yeah, no, because we came here before. Didn't you see my other one? So yeah, we're coming to buy William's suit now. Hopefully he finds a size, cause yeah, every time we go to shops, it's always size never mind. But yeah, hopefully we get one. I keep saying yeah, my vlogs. What the frick? Oh. Hey guys, so we finally got home after a long day finding a suit, and don't mind me eating, I'm just hungry. We just got it's a funny story. We just got home, cause so last week we sent a package over to Samoa for my little brother that's in Samoa. We bought him a tablet, and cause you know how a tablet works. You don't put a SIM card in it. It's like a specific tablet, but we bought a tablet that doesn't put a SIM card in it. And we sent over the package, and they just received it yesterday. So they opened it up, and then they were trying to find a space to put the SIM card in it. And we're like, my auntie is like calling right now how to put the SIM card in. And we're like, you don't put a SIM card in the tablet, especially that tablet that we bought, because there's no SIM card. And she's like, kairo. She's like, nga find my alle instructions. Eko say SIM card in a tablet, and then we're like, what SIM card are you talking about? So she's video calling my mom right now on how to put the SIM card in it, and my mom's cracking out laughing because there's nothing that says a SIM card. So we're like, you know what? You can figure it out yourself. I'm not even gonna deal with it because my first Samoa is like pretty kaya as. So when they hear me trying to tell them an instruction, especially with my first Samoa, yeah, they probably won't understand. They'll probably like, oh, okay then, blah 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 blah. But anyways, I have really nothing much to do. It's now almost 6:30 and yeah, I just have a boring life. We have a YSA, we were invited to a YSA dance tonight, but I won't be going because I'm sick. No, but yeah, I guess I'll be staying home eating my heart out, cause that's all I do is eat and eat until I can't fit my pants. But anyway, that's all for me tonight. If you like it, subscribe to the bottom. I don't know, I don't care. But yeah, hopefully something interesting happens in my life so I can actually vlog like a funny ass moment. But yeah, if you like it, subscribe. If you don't, keep scolding. I don't really care. I'm just doing this for the fun of it. But yeah, alright, I'll catch you up later in the next vlog. Peace. Bye.